From VOA Learning English, this is the Education Report. First Lady Michelle Obama recently launched a media campaign designed to help more young people go to college. A new social media website called Better Make Room is at the center of campaign. Better Make Room targets young people aged 14 to 19. Obama's called this group Generation Yes. The goal is to get design audience to share pictures, stories, and short videos about their experience applying to college. The website will also supply information about college entrance exam, financial aid, and visiting campus. At a White House event in February, Obama says she believes that education and children's more important civil rights issues that we face today. She hopes young people who use this site will feel supported by their shared experiences. She also wants people who see education to receive the same support and respect as those who seek it from farms. Several farmer people are showing their support for the campaign. Singer Grayson posts a picture of herself as the White House on Twitter with the hashtag Better Makes Room. Basketball player LeBron James joins the First Lady at a recent education event at the University of Anchorage. Many groups are also supporting these Better Make Room campaigns. They include websites Vine, College, Honors, and Funny or Die, television network NBC, Universal, DCW, and AES are also partners. The Obama other daughter, Maria, will complete high school industry. She is currently applying to college. From VOA in English.